Spine road right now. You have to load the entire vehicle on the towing truck. So we're finally at the petrol pump now. Okay, so we are at the first ghat section of our trip now. So guys, now we are off on the road and we are now riding to Nashik, and I will be experimenting with different angles in this ride. So as you can see, I have found this camera on my handlebar for now, and hopefully it is giving a good view, good angle, and more than just showing the POV of the shots or the ride that I am doing, right? I thought like it would be better if I could give you a glimpse of how it looks or how it feels while I ride as well. And more than that, even I would be able to talk with you guys, and it would give a bit more of an immersive experience is what I felt. So it is going to be an experiment for me as well, but let's see. The journey has just begun, so let's do this. हो का कोणत्या कॉलेजला आहे? अच्छा चालेल, मग भेटूया आपण. चलो निघतो मी. चलो बाय बाय. हा हा करून टाका. चालेल नक्की. हो चालेल. चलो ओके बाय बाय. I'm not even sure if there's a petrol pump on the way. I'm just hoping that the spine road that I'm going to take, it has a fuel pump so that I can refuel my bike. I just have a range of 37. So right now we are just going towards Nigdi, and then we'll be taking the spine road, and after that we'll get connected to the Nashik-Pune highway. This spine road right now, as you can say, it says Pune Nashik highway on the board there, billboard, and I've still not been able to find a fuel pump, and seriously it's a bit scary. You just think like if it would have been an EV with a range of 30 kilometers, I would have started to panic. Just very closely able to get past that signal. Yeah, but what I was saying is that compared to an EV, just the sheer amount of confidence that you get while riding the bike or even a petrol car, right? It's tremendous. Like I have been in situation where we were so close to an EV charger. We were riding from Bangalore to Solapur to one of my friend's place. We were right there, right? We just had to take a U-turn, and then there was an EV charger, and we were supposed to charge our vehicle over there. The U-turn and hit us at the charging station is out of service, and there is some issue there, and they need to fix a part. Like it would take 3 to 4 days to fix that part, and we just started going crazy. And there was not even a single dhaba or like a proper lodge. It was a hotel, but it was kind of this eat and go kind of a place. You could not stay there for long, and there were no rooms available either. So that was a big issue. We had to call the Mahindra service RSA folks, roadside assistance folks, and then get the roadside assistance help. So we reached the charging station around 12 in the night, and then the RSA guy came with the towing vehicle at around 2:30. It took like half an hour to set up all the things and load the entire vehicle, and then from there it took us like around 3 hours just to reach to the next service station. So around 6, I remember very vaguely, like 6 to 6:15 we reached near the charging station, the next charging station, which was at a Geo petrol pump, and there they had the fast charging available. So after that we charged the vehicle, and after that we decided like let's continue our journey. But that one situation, and I understand that it was like almost 1.5 years back this situation happened with us. At that time the infrastructure for charging stations and EVs was not that good. I know the situation may have been changed right now, But if you go through such situation, right, it just gets etched into your mind. And once you face such situation, it is not possible to go back to the same way of thinking about EVs. Because before that, I was very optimistic that EVs would change the whole market and it would be very good for the environment and all these things. Anyways, enough of storytelling. And I think I need to seriously put on the Google Maps to find a petrol pump, I guess. So we're finally at the petrol pump now. Okay, so we have just refueled now. Bike is showing its all the vibration skills right now. I'm just hoping that the footage is stable though. Okay, but we are still not out of the traffic though. That is another thing. There's such a huge traffic here right now. Okay, just give me a second to squeeze out here. Okay, so I'm simply going off-road here right now. The traffic is so crazy. I'm not sure if you can see behind me the trucks and cars. I don't know. It took me almost like an hour or so to reach here. We're just going off-road here now. There is no other way to go because all the 3 lanes. So this is a 2-lane road. But all the 3 lanes of the road are occupied with cars. And anyone who is driving to the north of Pune, going to Nashik, Indore or anywhere to the north of Pune, just knows the importance of seeing this place. So we are at Rajguru Nagar right now, and once you see this particular tunnel, right, you just get relief that yes, finally you have left the Pune traffic and now you are free to just ride at your own pace and just be happy. So yeah, it took more than 1.5 hours for me to reach this place. The traffic was so damn crazy today, man, so crazy. But finally we are here. Talking about the weather, I think the weather is good today, not bad. It's not too sunny that I may not be able to handle the heat. It's fine. I'm in the whenever I'm on the bike, right? When I'm going on the bike, the wind is kind of soothing, so I don't feel that much heat. And this is the problem. So these buses and the trucks, right? They just drive parallelly. This makes the bike slow again. Let's continue. All right. Okay, so we are at the first ghat section of our trip now. Let's look at this beautiful road. the winter season, so we are seeing Maharashtra so dry. The mountains of Maharashtra so dry. If it would have been the rainy season, it's all mountains, it's all valley, right? It would have been just like a lush green. We have reached here, the place where I wanted to take a port. Nice place, and I can take a port. Okay, so I just took a quick break and I should have just done this. Okay, I'll just stop for a quick second so I can buckle the helmet. I don't want to go without buckling my helmet ahead. Okay, so that's done. Let's go. Safety is mandatory, guys. Whenever you're riding, always keep in mind that safety is important. Nothing more is important than your life. So whenever you're riding, just drive safely. Wear proper gears and drive to your heart's content, ride to your heart's content, but always ride safely. I have a range of 73 kilometers, so somewhere in between near Sinnar I will have to refuel as well. I expected that the fuel would last till I reach home, but somehow my calculation was wrong, so no problem. and we are crossing Sangamner right now. Finally, we've reached Sangamner. So as you can see, it's showing 63 kilometers, still more to go on the trip navigation. So I've come around like 20 short kilometers from the point where we stopped.
So somewhere in Ghat, my action camera mic decided it believes in silence. It recorded absolutely nothing. Very spiritual, very useless. Anyway, the Ghat section was beautiful. Fresh tarmac, smooth bends, mountains slowly turning into silhouettes under that calm twilight sky. Not golden art drama, just that quiet blue-grey vibe where everything feels lighter. And I think that's why twilight rides hit differently. Because when I'm sitting at work, staring at screen and pretending that my model hits that 97% accuracy mark, this is what I miss. Clean corners, steady throttle, no notifications, no quick 5-minute calls that last 40 minutes. For those few kilometers, my brain finally shuts up. No overthinking, just the next turn. Then slowly the mountains fade. Street lights appear. Traffic increases. Nasik's light starts glowing ahead, and meditation mode switches back to city mode. But now with this Motovlog, even if my mic betrayed me, I get to relive it, talk about it, share it. And somehow that makes the ride feel bigger than just a commute between two cities. By the time I reached city, I didn't just cover distance. I collected peace for my next office day. And next time, before finding inner balance in the ghats, I'm checking the mic. So if you like this vlog, do hit that thumbs up icon and share it to your friends. And subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.